Question 13. A point object is placed 30 centimeter from a convex lens of focal length 20 centimeter. Final image is formed at infinity if. So you have to examine A, B, C, D and find the correct answer. These are questions having more than one correct answer. You see, when will the final image be formed at infinity? If the object is at the principal focus, but focal length of the single lens is 20 centimeter, object is at 30 centimeter, so we have to increase the focal length to 30 centimeter such that the position of the object becomes the position of the focus of the combined system. That means we should use a diverging lens. Convex lens is a converging lens. So first let us examine this option. Okay, we know when lenses are in contact, 1 by f is given as 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2. Now this must become 30 because the object distance must become the focal length. This is 1 by 20 plus 1 by f2. So 1 by f2 is equal to 1 by 20 minus 1 by 30 equal to minus 1 by 60, or f2 is equal to minus 60 centimeter. Minus sign indicates concave lens. So concave lens of focal length 60. If you use a concave lens of focal length 60, we can make the combined focal length as 30, which is the position of the object. Then the image will be formed at infinity. So A is correct. And D is wrong because D is a convex lens. When you combine convex lens, what happens? The focal length will further decrease. So that is not possible. So D is wrong. Now you can also increase the focal length by immersing in a given liquid, right? So let us examine this. What you have formula for air and liquid? Mu g minus 1, 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. 1 by F liquid is mu g by mu liquid minus 1, 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. Dividing FL by FA, mu g minus 1 by mu g by mu L minus 1. Now let us calculate this. So FL is equal to, what is mu g minus 1? Mu g is 3 by 2. So FL equal to half into, this will become 9 by 8 minus 1. So when you are dividing, it becomes 8 by 1 into the focal length is 20. Okay. Now how much you are getting? 80 centimeter. So this is wrong. When the whole system is immersed in water, the focal length becomes 80 centimeter. Okay. Let us examine this C. FL equal to mu g by mu L will calculate now. 3 by 2 divided by 9 by 8 for this case. So it becomes 3 and this becomes 4. 4 by 3 minus 1 will become 1 by 3. So 1 by 2 into 3 by 1 into 20 gives you 30 centimeter. So if you immerse the lens in a liquid of refractive index 9 by 8, then the focal length becomes 30 centimeter. So you can get the image at the principal focus by either combining a concave lens or by immersing it in the given liquid. So the correct choices are A and C.